Once you finish tweaking your app's look and feel, it's time to get it ready to launch to the world. Welcome to your Conduit mobile app dashboard. From the app dashboard, you can always go back and continue to modify and improve your app's content and style. But more importantly, the app dashboard gives you real-time control over your app's entire ecosystem: publishing status, promotion, updates, analytics, and more. The Conduit mobile app dashboard keeps you up to speed on the publishing status of your app. As you can see, your mobile web-based app is available immediately, so you can view it on a mobile phone and start promoting it right away. Conduit helps you publish the other versions of your app, guiding you through the entire process of certification and uploading to popular app marketplaces like Apple's App Store or Nokia's Ovi Store. You can find a review of the whole publishing process in our video titled Publishing Your App. To broaden your app's user base and grow app revenues, Conduit Mobile provides a comprehensive suite of free promotional tools, enabling you to share your app via Facebook or Twitter, preview your browser and mobile-friendly app pages, get a redirect code for your app, and generate a QR quick response code for your app. Conduit Mobile helps you constantly engage your app users, keeping them updated and informed and helping create buzz around your app. From your app dashboard, you can send instant push notifications to app users. You can choose to notify all users or a specific segment of users, targeting by location, social network, and more. Finally, the app dashboard is your first step toward using Conduit Mobile's unique review application, which lets you test your app on any mobile device. For more on Conduit Mobile Review, please watch our video titled Test on Any Mobile Device.